Hey guys, today we're making wild turkey salad sandwiches.
To make this recipe, you can either use 1 turkey breast or 2 turkey legs. I'll be using 2 turkey legs, so we'll place them in the bottom of a large slow cooker. We'll add an Italian seasoning, salt, black pepper, a bay leaf, and enough chicken broth to cover our turkey. Once the wild turkey is submerged in chicken broth, we can cover using the lid and then place on low for 6 to 8 hours or until the turkey falls apart easily using 2 forks. As you can see here, this is about as tender as it gets. If you're not already saving your wild turkey legs, you need to be doing so. Once we get all the turkey out of the crock pot, if you use turkey legs, discard any of the bones. Then we can shred the meat using 2 forks. And since this meat is going into a sandwich, I'm going to shred it up a little bit smaller than I typically would. Now we can get out a large bowl and mix together mayo, honey, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, rosemary, salt, black pepper, and parsley. Once we have those ingredients mixed, then we can add in grapes, almonds, and celery. Then we'll give that a good mix and we're ready to add our shredded wild turkey meat. We'll mix that in and you can either set it in the fridge or serve right away. I like to serve my sandwiches on country style bread topped with slices of lettuce and tomato. And you guys are going to love this recipe. You're going to want to make it again and again. So if you want more information on how to make it, check out the caption.